Question 1433 to 1633. Question 1433. The abbreviation, FDA, stands for A. Food and Drug Administration. B. Federal Drug Agency. C. Foreign Drug Authority. D. Food and Drug Association. Answer. A. Food and Drug Administration. Question 1434. Which of the following is not a step involved in the drug registration process? A. Preclinical studies. B. Clinical trials. C. Market launch. D. Drug manufacturing. Answer. D. Drug manufacturing. Question 1435. The process of monitoring, assessing, and preventing adverse effects of pharmaceutical products is called A. Drug interactions. B. Drug surveillance. C. Drug validation. D. Drug dispensation. Answer. B. Drug surveillance. Question 1436. The ethical considerations in clinical trials include A. Inflating the trial results to promote the drug's sales. B. Informed consent of participants. C. Conducting trials on vulnerable populations without consent. D. Skipping the placebo group to save costs. Answer. B. Informed consent of participants. Question 1436. What does WHO stand for in the context of pharmaceutical regulations? A. World Health Organization. B. World Health Order. C. World Health Oversight. D. World Health Orientation. Answer. A. World Health Organization. Question 1437. Which entity is responsible for granting drug licenses to pharmaceutical companies in Pakistan? A. Ministry of Health. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. C. Pakistan Medical and Dental Council PMDC. D. World Health Organization WHO. Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. Question 1438. The Drug Act in Pakistan deals with A. Import and export of agricultural products. B. Import and export of all consumer goods. C. Import, export, and manufacturing of drugs. D. Import, export, and manufacturing of cosmetics. Answer. C. Import, export, and manufacturing of drugs. Question 1439. What is the primary purpose of quality assurance in the pharmaceutical industry? A. Ensure drugs are always sold at a low price. B. Prevent the entry of new pharmaceutical companies. C. Ensure that drugs meet quality standards throughout the manufacturing process. D. Speed up the drug registration process. Answer. C. Ensure that drugs meet quality standards throughout the manufacturing process. Question 1440. Which term refers to the study of the interactions between drugs and the body's biological systems? A. Pharmacology. B. Pharmacovigilance. C. Pharmacokinetics. D. Pharmaceutics. Answer. A. Pharmacology. Question 1441. Which entity oversees the distribution of pharmaceutical products in Pakistan? A. Ministry of Health. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. C. Pakistan Medical and Dental Council PMDC. D. National Pharmaceutical Control Bureau NPCB. Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. Question 1442. What is the purpose of drug pricing policy in the pharmaceutical industry? A. To control drug manufacturing processes. B. To regulate the import and export of drugs. C. To monitor and report adverse drug reactions. D. To set guidelines for drug prices in the market. Answer. D. To set guidelines for drug prices in the market. Question 1443. Which phase of clinical trials involves testing a drug on a small group of healthy volunteers to assess its safety? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. A Phase 1. Question 1444. The abbreviation, GMP, stands for A. Good Manufacturing Principles. B. Global Medication Protocols. C. General Manufacturing Policies. D. Good Market Practices. Answer. A. Good Manufacturing Principles. Question 1445. Pharmacovigilance systems are responsible for A. Promoting the use of herbal medicine. B. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. C. Determining drug prices in the market. D. Evaluating drug interactions with food. Answer. B. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. Question 1446. The drug registration process involves A. Assessing the impact of drugs on the environment. B. Testing drugs on a large group of patients in real-world settings. C. Analyzing the cost-effectiveness of drugs. D. Reviewing preclinical and clinical data to ensure safety and efficacy. Answer. D. Reviewing preclinical and clinical data to ensure safety and efficacy. Question 1447. Which of the following is a regulatory body responsible for drug-related laws and acts in Pakistan? A. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. B. WHO, World Health Organization. C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. D. CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Answer. C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1448. The Drug Act in Pakistan primarily focuses on A. Pricing policies for pharmaceuticals. B. Drug interactions and pharmacokinetics. C. Clinical trial approvals. D. Import and export of drugs. Answer. A. Pricing policies for pharmaceuticals. Question 1449. Good manufacturing practices (GMP) for pharmaceutical manufacturing primarily ensure A. Efficient drug pricing. B. Ethical considerations in clinical trials. C. Quality assurance and product safety. D. Pharmacovigilance monitoring. Answer. C. Quality assurance and product safety. Question 1450. Which phase of a clinical trial involves a small group of healthy volunteers to evaluate drug safety and dosage? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. A. Phase 1. Question 1451. What are the ethical considerations in conducting clinical trials? A. Maximizing profit from the trial. B. Informed consent, privacy, and protection of participants' rights. C. Ignoring adverse drug reactions. D. Using unapproved drugs for trials. Answer. B. Informed consent, privacy, and protection of participants' rights. Question 1452. Which regulatory body in Pakistan is responsible for approving clinical trials? A. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. B. WHO, World Health Organization. C. CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. D. NIH, National Institutes of Health. Answer. A. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1453. The process of monitoring, collecting, assessing, and reporting adverse drug reactions is known as A. Pharmacokinetics. B. Pharmacovigilance. C. Clinical trials. D. Drug registration. Answer. B. Pharmacovigilance. Question 1454. Which step is not involved in the drug registration process in Pakistan? A. Clinical trials. B. Pharmacovigilance. C. Quality assurance. D. Drug pricing. Answer. D. Drug pricing. Question 1455. What does the term GMP stand for in pharmaceutical manufacturing? General manufacturing processes. B. Good manufacturing practices. C. General manufacturing principles. D. Good manufacturing protocols. Answer. B. Good manufacturing practices. Question 1456. What is the primary purpose of drug registration in Pakistan? A. To control drug pricing. B. To monitor adverse drug reactions. C. To ensure drug safety, efficacy, and quality. D. To promote drug exports. Answer. C. To ensure drug safety, efficacy, and quality. Question 1457. Which government agency is responsible for granting licenses for pharmaceutical import in Pakistan? A. Ministry of Health. B. DRAP Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. C. Federal Bureau of Investigation. D. World Trade Organization WTO. Answer. B. DRAP Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1458. Pharmacovigilance systems are designed to A. Promote the use of generic drugs. B. Monitor and report adverse drug reactions. C. Expedite the drug registration process. D. Conduct clinical trials. Answer. B. Monitor and report adverse drug reactions. Question 1459. Which phase of clinical trials involves a larger group of patients to determine drug safety and effectiveness? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. C. Phase 3. Question 1460. What is the primary goal of quality assurance in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Maximizing profits. B. Ensuring the lowest drug prices. C. Maintaining product quality and safety. D. Increasing drug import quotas. Answer. C. Maintaining product quality and safety. Question 1461. The primary purpose of the drug pricing policy is to A. Regulate drug imports. B. Control drug prices in the market. C. Promote the use of herbal medicines. D. Establish pharmaceutical manufacturing units. Answer. B. Control drug prices in the market. Question 1462. Which phase of clinical trials involves post-marketing surveillance and ongoing safety monitoring? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. D. Phase 4. Question 1463. The process of drug registration in Pakistan involves the evaluation of A. Drug pricing and profit margins. B. Drug safety, efficacy, and quality. C. Clinical trial approval timelines. D. Pharmacokinetic interactions. Answer. B. Drug safety, efficacy, and quality. Question 1464. What do the initials DRAP stand for? A. Drug Regulation and Approval Panel. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. C. Department of Regulatory Affairs and Policies. D. Drug Research and Analysis Panel. Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1465. Which term refers to the study of drug movement within the body, including absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination? A. Pharmacodynamics. B. Pharmacokinetics. C. Clinical pharmacology. D. Pharmaceutics. Answer. B. Pharmacokinetics. Question 1466. The process of obtaining written approval from participants after explaining the clinical trial details is known as A. Informed consent. B. Drug registration. C. Quality assurance. D. Good manufacturing practices. Answer. A. Informed consent. Question 1467. Which agency is responsible for regulating drug export in Pakistan? A. World Health Organization WHO. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. C. Ministry of Commerce. D. World Trade Organization WTO. Answer. C. Ministry of Commerce. Question 1468. The process of conducting clinical trials involves which of the following steps? A. Drug pricing and cost estimation. B. Recruiting participants and administering the drug. C. Exporting the drug for testing abroad. D. Pharmacovigilance and post-marketing surveillance. Answer. B. Recruiting participants and administering the drug. Question 1469. The abbreviation ADR stands for A. Adverse drug reaction. B. Advanced drug registration. C. Approved drug review. D. Adverse drug record. Answer. A. Adverse drug reaction. Question 1470. Which stage of clinical trials involves comparing the new drug with existing standard treatments? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. C. Phase 3. Question 1471. Which of the following acts governs drug-related laws and regulations in Pakistan? A. Drug Regulatory Authority Act. B. Drug Control Act. C. Drug Act. D. Pharmaceuticals and Drugs Act. Answer. A. Drug Regulatory Authority Act. Question 1472. The drug pricing policy in Pakistan aims to A. Increase the cost of essential medicines. B. Regulate the prices of drugs to ensure affordability. C. Encourage monopolies for pharmaceutical companies. D. Standardize drug production procedures. Answer. B. Regulate the prices of drugs to ensure affordability. Question 1473. Pharmacokinetics refers to the study of A. Drugs interacting with each other. B. Drug effects on the body. C. Drug movement within the body. D. Drug interactions with enzymes. Answer. C. Drug movement within the body. Question 1474. Drug interactions occur when A. Drugs are administered via different routes. B. Two or more drugs have similar effects. C. Drugs have opposite effects on the body. D. Two or more drugs interact with each other, affecting their actions. Answer. D. Two or more drugs interact with each other, affecting their actions. Question 1475. Which of the following is an essential step in conducting clinical trials? A. Obtaining informed consent from patients. B. Marketing the investigational drug to the public. C. Conducting trials without control groups for faster results. D. Ignoring ethical considerations to expedite the process. Answer. A. Obtaining informed consent from patients. Question 1476. Regulatory requirements for clinical trial approval aim to ensure A. Quick commercialization of new drugs. B. Safety and efficacy of investigational drugs. C. Minimal involvement of healthcare professionals. D. Minimal paperwork and documentation. Answer. B. Safety and efficacy of investigational drugs. Question 1477. Good manufacturing practices (GMP) ensure A. Maximum profits for pharmaceutical manufacturers. B. Consistent product quality and safety. C. Streamlined manufacturing processes without quality checks. D. Reducing the cost of production. Answer. B. Consistent product quality and safety. Question 1478. Quality assurance principles focus on A. Lowering the standards for drug production. B. Implementing cost-cutting measures. C. Improving processes to meet quality standards. D. Increasing batch variations to accommodate demand fluctuations. Answer. C. Improving processes to meet quality standards. Question 1479. What is the primary purpose of drug registration? A. Ensuring only local manufacturers can produce drugs. B. Ensuring imported drugs meet quality standards. C. Expediting the approval process for new drugs. D. Ensuring drugs' safety, efficacy, and quality before marketing. Answer. D. Ensuring drugs' safety, efficacy, and quality before marketing. Question 1480. Which authority in Pakistan is responsible for licensing drug manufacturing facilities? A. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). B. Ministry of Health. C. Pakistan Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Association (PPMA). D. World Health Organization (WHO). Answer. A. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1481. Pharmacovigilance is the process of A. Monitoring the pharmaceutical market for new drugs. B. Ensuring access to drugs for all patients. C. Reporting and monitoring adverse drug reactions. D. Marketing new drugs to healthcare professionals. Answer. C. Reporting and monitoring adverse drug reactions. Question 1482. A pharmacovigilance system is essential to A. Promote off-label drug use. B. Collect data on clinical trial participants. C. Identify new drug indications. D. Identify and manage potential drug risks and safety issues. Answer. D. Identify and manage potential drug risks and safety issues. Question 1483. Which step comes first in the drug registration process? A. Clinical trials. B. Market authorization. C. Product testing. D. Preclinical studies. Answer. D. Preclinical studies. Question 1484. What is the purpose of the market authorization step in drug registration? A. To determine the drug's market potential. B. To grant permission for drug manufacturing. C. To approve drug marketing and distribution. D. To establish the drug's therapeutic index. Answer. C. To approve drug marketing and distribution. Question 1485. Healthcare regulations are designed to A. Limit patient access to medicines. B. Streamline medical billing processes. C. Ensure patient safety and quality care. D. Control healthcare professionals' fees. Answer. C. Ensure patient safety and quality care. Question 1486. In healthcare, HIPAA stands for A. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. B. Health Industry Promotion and Administrative Act. C. Healthcare Information Protection and Assurance Act. D. Hospital Inpatient Assessment and Approval Act. Answer. A. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Question 1487. An analyst observes a significant decline in drug sales despite increased marketing efforts. What could be a possible cause? A. High demand for the drug in the market. B. Increased competition from generic alternatives. C. Insufficient marketing budget. D. Lower production of the drug. Answer. B. Increased competition from generic alternatives. Question 1488. The trend analysis of adverse drug reaction reports reveals a sudden spike in a specific region. What should the analyst do next? A. Ignore the data, assuming it's an anomaly. B. Initiate an investigation to identify the cause. C. Increase drug distribution in that region. D. Wait for more data before taking any action. Answer. B. Initiate an investigation to identify the cause. Question 1489. Effective written communication in the pharmaceutical industry is crucial for A. Speeding up drug registration processes. B. Marketing new drugs to healthcare professionals. C. Conveying complex information clearly and accurately. D. Promoting off-label drug use. Answer. C. Conveying complex information clearly and accurately. Question 1490. When writing a drug safety report, it is essential to A. Downplay the seriousness of adverse reactions. B. Use technical jargon to impress readers. C. Clearly present the relevant information in a standardized format. D. Exaggerate the benefits of the drug. Answer. C. Clearly present the relevant information in a standardized format. Question 1491. Which of the following steps is not involved in the drug registration process? A. Clinical trials. B. Drug manufacturing. C. Pharmacovigilance. D. Drug pricing. Answer. B. Drug manufacturing. Question 1492. The primary purpose of good manufacturing practices (GMP) is to A. Control drug pricing. B. Ensure the safety and quality of pharmaceutical products. C. Expedite the drug registration process. D. Regulate drug import and export. Answer. B. Ensure the safety and quality of pharmaceutical products. Question 1493. What is the role of pharmacovigilance in drug regulation? A. Setting drug prices. B. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. C. Conducting clinical trials. D. Approving drug registrations. Answer. B. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. Question 1494. In Pakistan, the authority responsible for drug regulation is known as A. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. B. WHO, World Health Organization. C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. D. DIA, Drug Enforcement Administration. Answer. C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1495. The process of conducting clinical trials involves A. Marketing the drug to healthcare professionals. B. Distributing the drug to pharmacies. C. Testing the drug on human subjects to assess its safety and efficacy. D. Setting the price of the drug. Answer. C. Testing the drug on human subjects to assess its safety and efficacy. Question 1496. Which of the following is not an ethical consideration in clinical trials? A. Informed consent of participants. B. Ensuring a placebo control group. C. Providing appropriate medical care to participants. D. Maintaining participant confidentiality. Answer. B. Ensuring a placebo control group. Question 1497. The regulatory requirements for clinical trial approval include A. Demonstrating the drug's marketing potential. B. Obtaining approval from international regulatory agencies. C. Providing evidence of the drug's safety and efficacy. D. Paying a fee to the regulatory authority. Answer. C. Providing evidence of the drug's safety and efficacy. Question 1498. Drug-related laws and acts in Pakistan are primarily focused on A. Controlling drug prices. B. Ensuring fair competition among pharmaceutical companies. C. Regulating drug import, export, and distribution. D. Funding medical research. Answer. C. Regulating drug import, export, and distribution. Question 1499. What do you understand by pharmacokinetics? A. The study of how drugs interact with each other in the body. B. The study of drug movements within the body, including absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. C. The study of how drugs are manufactured in pharmaceutical facilities. D. The study of how drugs affect specific cellular processes. Answer. B. The study of drug movements within the body, including absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. Question 1500. The process of drug registration involves A. Testing the drug in a diverse population without restrictions. B. Submitting detailed information about the drug's safety, quality, and efficacy. C. Offering monetary incentives to healthcare professionals to promote the drug. D. Bypassing clinical trials for drugs already approved in other countries. Answer. B. Submitting detailed information about the drug's safety, quality, and efficacy. Question 1501. Which of the following is not a quality assurance principle for pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Batch testing and release before distribution. B. Regularly inspecting manufacturing facilities. C. Maintaining accurate and detailed records of the drug's production. D. Marketing the drug aggressively to increase sales. Answer. D. Marketing the drug aggressively to increase sales. Question 1502. The drug pricing policy in Pakistan aims to A. Increase drug prices to boost pharmaceutical industry revenue. B. Control the prices of essential medicines to make them affordable to the public. C. Promote the import of expensive drugs for better healthcare options. D. Ensure that all drugs are available free of cost to the population. Answer. B. Control the prices of essential medicines to make them affordable to the public. Question 1503. What does the term pharmacovigilance refer to? A. The study of drug interactions in the human body. B. The study of how drugs are metabolized in the liver. C. The monitoring and reporting of adverse drug reactions after a drug is marketed. D. The study of how drugs affect specific organs in the body. Answer. C. The monitoring and reporting of adverse drug reactions after a drug is marketed. Question 1504. Which of the following is a healthcare regulation aimed at protecting patient data privacy? A. GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices. B. GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. C. GCP, Good Clinical Practice. D. GPP, Good Pharmacy Practice. Answer. B. GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. Question 1505. What is the role of the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP) in the drug registration process? A. Conducting clinical trials for new drugs. B. Approving drug registrations based on international data. C. Regulating the import and distribution of drugs in Pakistan. D. Setting drug prices for the entire pharmaceutical industry. Answer. C. Regulating the import and distribution of drugs in Pakistan. Question 1506. In the context of drug registration, what does analytical skills refer to? A. The ability to conduct clinical trials effectively. B. The capability to interpret scientific data and results accurately. C. The proficiency in marketing and promoting pharmaceutical products. D. The knowledge of drug pricing policies and regulations. Answer. B. The capability to interpret scientific data and results accurately. Question 1507. The primary purpose of clinical trials is to A. Test the drug's marketing potential. B. Assess the drug's safety and efficacy in human subjects. C. Set the drug's price in the market. D. Study drug interactions with other medications. Answer. B. Assess the drug's safety and efficacy in human subjects. Question 1508. What is the significance of adhering to good manufacturing practices (GMP) in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. It ensures that only licensed pharmacists handle drug distribution. B. It guarantees that the drug prices remain stable over time. C. It ensures that drugs are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. D. It accelerates the drug registration process. Answer. C. It ensures that drugs are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. Question 1509. What are the basic pharmacology concepts essential for drug registration? A. Understanding the drug's potential side effects on specific individuals. B. Identifying potential drug interactions with other medications. C. Determining the marketing strategy for the drug. D. Evaluating the drug's market potential. Answer. B. Identifying potential drug interactions with other medications. Question 1510. Which of the following laws regulates the pharmaceutical industry in Pakistan? A. Drug Act. B. Drug Pricing Policy. C. Drug Registration Act. D. Healthcare Regulations Act. Answer. A. Drug Act. Question 1511. Good manufacturing practices (GMP) in pharmaceutical manufacturing ensure a. High drug pricing. B. Poor quality drugs. C. Safe and consistent drug production. D. Fast drug registration process. Answer. C. Safe and consistent drug production. Question 1512. What is pharmacology? A. The study of drug pricing policies. B. The study of drug interactions only. C. The study of drugs and their effects on living organisms. D. The study of drug registration and licensing. Answer. C. The study of drugs and their effects on living organisms. Question 1513. Pharmacokinetics is primarily concerned with a. Drug interactions. B. Drug pricing policies. C. Drug distribution in the body. D. Drug manufacturing processes. Answer. C. Drug distribution in the body. Question 1514. Clinical trials are conducted to a. Ensure drug pricing is reasonable. B. Test drugs on a large population without approval. C. Evaluate the safety and efficacy of drugs. D. Expedite the drug registration process. Answer. C. Evaluate the safety and efficacy of drugs. Question 1515. Which factor is not considered in the process of conducting clinical trials? A. Ethical considerations. B. Regulatory requirements. C. Quality assurance principles. D. Drug pricing policies. Answer. D. Drug pricing policies. Question 1516. In the drug registration process, approval from which authority is mandatory in Pakistan? A. World Health Organization (WHO). B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). C. Food and Drug Administration (FDA). D. European Medicines Agency (EMA). Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1517. What are the key components of a pharmacovigilance system? A. Drug registration and licensing. B. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. C. Drug pricing and distribution. D. Drug manufacturing processes. Answer. B. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. Question 1518. Which skill is essential for an assistant director at DRAP when dealing with case studies? A. Communication skills. B. Analytical skills. C. Medical terminology. D. Current affairs knowledge. Answer. B. Analytical skills. Question 1519. What is the purpose of good manufacturing practices (GMP) in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Ensure proper drug pricing. B. Regulate drug interactions. C. Establish quality standards for drug manufacturing. D. Expedite the drug registration process. Answer. C. Establish quality standards for drug manufacturing. Question 1520. What do you understand by drug interactions? A. The impact of drugs on the environment. B. The effects of drugs on different age groups. C. The way drugs interact with each other in the body. D. The influence of drug pricing on consumer behavior. Answer. C. The way drugs interact with each other in the body. Question 1521. Which organization is responsible for overseeing drug-related laws and acts in Pakistan? A. WHO, World Health Organization. B. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. D. EMA, European Medicines Agency. Answer. C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1522. In the drug registration process, what is the purpose of quality assurance? A. Ensuring the highest drug pricing. B. Establishing manufacturing standards. C. Monitoring clinical trial processes. D. Improving drug distribution logistics. Answer. B. Establishing manufacturing standards. Question 1523. Which of the following terms refers to adverse reactions to drugs that are required to be reported for pharmacovigilance? A. Positive reactions. B. Beneficial reactions. C. Negative reactions. D. Adverse drug reactions. Answer. D. Adverse drug reactions. Question 1524. What is the role of an assistant director in the drug registration process? A. Setting drug pricing policies. B. Conducting clinical trials. C. Overseeing pharmacovigilance processes. D. Ensuring regulatory compliance. Answer. D. Ensuring regulatory compliance. Question 1525. The primary purpose of healthcare regulations and policies is to A. Regulate drug pricing. B. Ensure patient safety and access to quality healthcare. C. Expedite the drug registration process. D. Manage drug interactions. Answer. B. Ensure patient safety and access to quality healthcare. Question 1526. What do you understand by the term pharmacokinetics? A. The study of drugs' chemical properties. B. The study of drugs' effects on the human body. C. The study of drugs' absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion in the body. D. The study of drug interactions with food and beverages. Answer. C. The study of drugs' absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion in the body. Question 1527. Which step is not involved in the drug registration process? A. Preclinical studies. B. Phase 4 clinical trials. C. Phase 3 clinical trials. D. Drug pricing negotiations. Answer. D. Drug pricing negotiations. Question 1528. Why is ethical consideration essential in conducting clinical trials? A. To speed up the drug registration process. B. To ensure the safety and welfare of participants. C. To determine drug pricing policies. D. To gather data on drug interactions. Answer. B. To ensure the safety and welfare of participants. Question 1529. Which regulatory authority oversees the drug distribution process in Pakistan? A. Pakistan Pharmaceutical Regulatory Authority (PPRA). B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). C. World Health Organization (WHO). D. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime (UNODC). Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1530. What is the primary focus of quality assurance in the pharmaceutical industry? A. Ensuring drug pricing is reasonable. B. Maintaining high manufacturing costs. C. Consistently producing high-quality drugs. D. Expediting the drug registration process. Answer. C. Consistently producing high-quality drugs. Question 1531. Pharmacovigilance processes involve A. Monitoring drug pricing policies. B. Reporting adverse drug reactions to regulatory authorities. C. Conducting clinical trials. D. Developing new drug formulations. Answer. B. Reporting adverse drug reactions to regulatory authorities. Question 1532. What is the purpose of the Drug Act in Pakistan? Regulate drug pricing. B. Define drug interactions. C. Establish guidelines for drug registration and approval. D. Standardize drug distribution logistics. Answer. C. Establish guidelines for drug registration and approval. Question 1533. What is pharmacovigilance? The study of pharmacokinetics. B. The study of drug interactions. C. The science of monitoring, detecting, and preventing adverse drug reactions. D. The analysis of drug efficacy in clinical trials. Answer. C. The science of monitoring, detecting, and preventing adverse drug reactions. Question 1534. Pharmacovigilance systems are responsible for manufacturing pharmaceutical products. B. Distributing pharmaceutical products. C. Collecting, assessing, and reporting adverse drug reactions. D. Conducting clinical trials. Answer. C. Collecting, assessing, and reporting adverse drug reactions. Question 1535. Which of the following is a key process in monitoring adverse drug reactions? Drug manufacturing. B. Drug pricing. C. Drug registration. D. Drug surveillance. Answer. D. Drug surveillance. Question 1536. Who is responsible for reporting adverse drug reactions to the regulatory authorities? Patients and consumers. B. Pharmaceutical companies. C. Healthcare professionals. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Question 1537. The primary purpose of reporting adverse drug reactions is to increase the sales of pharmaceutical products. B. Ensure drug safety and protect public health. C. Encourage competition among pharmaceutical companies. D. Expedite the drug registration process. Answer. B. Ensure drug safety and protect public health. Question 1538. What is the usual time frame for reporting serious adverse drug reactions to regulatory authorities? Within 2 working days. B. Within 7 calendar days. C. Within 30 calendar days. D. Within 60 calendar days. Answer. B. Within 7 calendar days. Question 1539. Effective communication in pharmacovigilance is crucial to increase drug sales. B. Promote brand names of pharmaceutical products. C. Facilitate the exchange of information on drug safety. D. Improve drug manufacturing processes. Answer. C. Facilitate the exchange of information on drug safety. Question 1540. Developing written communication skills is essential for assistant directors at DRAP to draft official letters and reports. B. Promote pharmaceutical products. C. Conduct clinical trials. D. Manage drug distribution networks. Answer. Draft official letters and reports. Question 1541. What does the abbreviation PO stand for in medical terminology? Postoperative. B. Per OS by mouth. C. Per rectum by rectum. D. Polycystic ovary. Answer. B. Per OS by mouth. Question 1542. The term hypertension refers to low blood pressure. B. High blood pressure. C. Inflammation of the liver. D. Abnormal heart rhythm. Answer. B. High blood pressure. Question 1543. What is the significance of the recent amendment to the drug pricing policy in Pakistan? It increased the prices of all pharmaceutical products. B. It introduced a price ceiling on essential medicines. C. It allowed pharmaceutical companies to set their own prices. D. It removed all regulations on drug pricing. Answer. B. It introduced a price ceiling on essential medicines. Question 1544. The recent change in drug regulations aim to relax the quality standards for pharmaceutical products. B. Streamline the drug registration process. C. Eliminate pharmacovigilance systems. D. Abolish clinical trials for new drugs. Answer. B. Streamline the drug registration process. Question 1545. Which step comes first in the drug registration process? A. Clinical trials. B. Drug manufacturing. C. Drug testing. D. Submission of registration application. Answer. D. Submission of registration application. Question 1546. Drug registration is essential to A. Facilitate drug import only. B. Facilitate drug export only. C. Ensure the safety and efficacy of drugs in the market. D. Control drug pricing. Answer. C. Ensure the safety and efficacy of drugs in the market. Question 1547. Healthcare regulations and policies in Pakistan are primarily governed by A. World Health Organization (WHO). B. United Nations (UN). C. Ministry of Health. D. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Answer. D. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1548. Analytical skills are crucial for assistant directors at DRAP to A. Develop marketing strategies for pharmaceutical products. B. Evaluate drug manufacturing facilities. C. Analyze drug-related data and make informed decisions. D. Conduct clinical trials. Answer. C. Analyze drug-related data and make informed decisions. Question 1549. As an assistant director, you are presented with a case study of a suspected adverse drug reaction. What is your initial step? A. Report it to the regulatory authority. B. Confirm if the reaction is indeed drug-related. C. Inform the pharmaceutical company. D. Ignore the case as it might be a coincidence. Answer. B. Confirm if the reaction is indeed drug-related. Question 1550. The primary legislation governing drugs in Pakistan is the A. Drug Act of 1965. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan Act. C. Drug Pricing Policy Act. D. Drug Import and Export Act. Answer. A. Drug Act of 1965. Question 1551. The Drug Act of 1965 is responsible for A. Drug pricing and reimbursement. B. Establishing pharmacovigilance systems. C. Drug registration and regulation. D. Promoting pharmaceutical research and development. Answer. C. Drug registration and regulation. Question 1551. What does the drug pricing policy in Pakistan aim to achieve? A. Lower drug prices for all pharmaceutical products. B. Ensure the affordability of essential medicines. C. Increase the profits of pharmaceutical companies. D. Reduce the availability of drugs in the market. Answer. B. Ensure the affordability of essential medicines. Question 1552. Pharmacology is the study of A. Drug manufacturing processes. B. Drug interactions with food. C. Drug effects on living organisms. D. Drug import and export policies. Answer. C. Drug effects on living organisms. Question 1553. Pharmacokinetics is the study of A. Drug interactions with other drugs. B. Drug effects on the body over time. C. Drug effects on specific organs. D. Drug distribution in the body. Answer. B. Drug effects on the body over time. Question 1554. Drug interactions refer to A. The combination of drugs with food. B. The combined effects of two or more drugs in the body. C. The synthesis of new drugs in the laboratory. D. The breakdown of drugs in the liver. Answer. B. The combined effects of two or more drugs in the body. Question 1555. What is the main purpose of conducting clinical trials? A. To test the effectiveness of alternative therapies. B. To ensure the safety and efficacy of new drugs. C. To promote pharmaceutical products. D. To assess the drug pricing policy. Answer. B. To ensure the safety and efficacy of new drugs. Question 1556. Which of the following is not a characteristic of analytical thinking? A. Identifying patterns and trends. B. Solving problems systematically. C. Relying on emotions to make decisions. D. Evaluating evidence objectively. Correct answer. C. Relying on emotions to make decisions. Question 1557. In a drug safety case study, adverse drug reactions ADRs refer to A. The positive therapeutic effects of a drug. B. Unexpected harmful reactions caused by a drug. C. The drug's ability to reach the intended target. D. The drug's mechanism of action. Correct answer. B. Unexpected harmful reactions caused by a drug. Question 1558. The primary legislation governing drug-related laws in Pakistan is the A. Drug Import and Export Act. B. Drug Pricing Policy Act. C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan Act. D. Drug Distribution and Sales Act. Correct answer. C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan Act. Question 1559. Pharmacokinetics primarily deals with the study of A. Drug interactions with other drugs. B. The body's response to drugs. C. How drugs are administered and excreted. D. The chemical composition of drugs. Correct answer. C. How drugs are administered and excreted. Question 1560. What is the purpose of conducting clinical trials? A. To promote off-label use of drugs. B. To test the effectiveness of medical devices. C. To evaluate the safety and efficacy of drugs. D. To fast-track drug approvals. Correct answer. C. To evaluate the safety and efficacy of drugs. Question 1561. Good manufacturing practices (GMP) are guidelines that ensure A. High drug prices for better quality. B. The safety and quality of pharmaceutical products. C. Easy access to drugs for patients. D. Frequent changes in drug manufacturing processes. Correct answer. B. The safety and quality of pharmaceutical products. Question 1562. Which authority is responsible for drug registration and licensing in Pakistan? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. B. World Health Organization (WHO). C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). D. Food and Drug Administration (FDA). Correct answer. C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1563. What is the main purpose of a pharmacovigilance system? A. To promote the use of generic drugs. B. To ensure drug affordability. C. To monitor and report adverse drug reactions ADRs. D. To expedite the drug approval process. Correct answer. C. To monitor and report adverse drug reactions ADRs. Question 1564. Effective written communication in the pharmaceutical industry is essential for A. Marketing prescription drugs to consumers. B. Collaborating with healthcare providers. C. Meeting sales targets. D. Improving drug manufacturing processes. Correct answer. B. Collaborating with healthcare providers. Question 1565. What does PRN stand for in medical terminology? A. Prescription refill notification. B. Pro re nata as needed. C. Patient recovery network. D. Preoperative nursing. Correct answer. B. Pro re nata, as needed. Question 1566. Which recent policy change impacted drug pricing in Pakistan? A. Introduction of a national healthcare scheme. B. Enactment of a new drug import tax. C. Implementation of price controls on essential drugs. D. Introduction of a pharmaceutical export promotion program. Correct answer. C. Implementation of price controls on essential drugs. Question 1567. What is the first step in the analytical problem-solving process? A. Identifying possible solutions. B. Gathering relevant data and information. C. Making a decision. D. Evaluating the results. Correct answer. B. Gathering relevant data and information. Question 1568. Which act governs the import and export of drugs in Pakistan? A. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan Act. B. Drug Import and Export Act. C. Drug Pricing Policy Act. D. Drug Distribution and Sales Act. Correct answer. B. Drug Import and Export Act. Question 1569. The study of how a drug interacts with its target molecule and produces its effects is known as A. Pharmacodynamics. B. Pharmacokinetics. C. Toxicology. D. Pharmacoepidemiology. Correct answer. A. Pharmacodynamics. Question 1570. Which phase of a clinical trial typically involves a small number of healthy volunteers? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Correct answer. A. Phase 1. Question 1571. Which of the following is not a principle of good manufacturing practices (GMP)? A. Quality control of raw materials and finished products. B. Consistent manufacturing processes and procedures. C. Frequent changes in manufacturing methods. D. Proper documentation and record keeping. Correct answer. C. Frequent changes in manufacturing methods. Question 1572. Drug registration in Pakistan is required for A. Over-the-counter (OTC) drugs only. B. Prescription drugs only. C. Both prescription and over-the-counter drugs. D. Herbal supplements only. Correct answer. C. Both prescription and over-the-counter drugs. Question 1573. Who is responsible for reporting adverse drug reactions (ADRs) to the regulatory authorities? A. Pharmaceutical manufacturers. B. Healthcare professionals and consumers. C. Pharmacists only. D. Clinical trial investigators. Correct answer. B. Healthcare professionals and consumers. Question 1574. Which communication skill is particularly important when explaining complex medical information to patients? A. Active listening. B. Verbal clarity. C. Nonverbal cues. D. Use of medical jargon. Correct answer. B. Verbal clarity. Question 1575. What does PO stand for in medical terminology? A. Postoperative. B. Perose by mouth. C. Prognosis onset. D. Prescription order. Correct answer. B. Perose by mouth. Question 1576. Which recent regulatory change affected the licensing process for pharmaceutical manufacturers in Pakistan? A. Introduction of mandatory environmental impact assessments. B. Revision of labeling requirements for pharmaceutical products. C. Implementation of new tax incentives for pharmaceutical exports. D. Strengthening of good manufacturing practices (GMP) standards. Correct answer. D. Strengthening of good manufacturing practices (GMP) standards. Question 1577. Which problem-solving approach involves breaking down a complex issue into smaller, manageable parts? A. Lateral thinking. B. Divergent thinking. C. Convergent thinking. D. Decomposition. Correct answer. D. Decomposition. Question 1578. Which of the following is the correct sequence of steps involved in the drug registration process? A. Post-marketing surveillance greater than clinical trials greater than drug manufacturing greater than preclinical studies. B. Preclinical studies greater than clinical trials greater than drug manufacturing greater than post-marketing surveillance. C. Drug manufacturing greater than preclinical studies greater than clinical trials greater than post-marketing surveillance. D. Preclinical studies greater than drug manufacturing greater than post-marketing surveillance greater than clinical trials. Answer. B. Preclinical studies greater than clinical trials greater than drug manufacturing greater than post-marketing surveillance. Question 1579. Pharmacovigilance is primarily concerned with A. Clinical trial design and implementation. B. Ensuring drug pricing policies are followed. C. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. D. Drug registration and licensing. Answer. C. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. Question 1580. In the context of drug development, what does IND stand for? A. Investigational New Drug. B. International New Database. C. Informed New Development. D. International New Documentation. Answer. A. Investigational New Drug. Question 1581. Which of the following statements best describes written communication skills? A. The ability to speak fluently in multiple languages. B. The ability to express ideas clearly and effectively through writing. C. The capacity to communicate using body language and gestures. D. The skill to deliver compelling presentations. Answer. B. The ability to express ideas clearly and effectively through writing. Question 1582. Analyze the following statement. A drug with high bioavailability will have a higher potency. A. True. B. False. Answer. B. False. Question 1583. Which medical term refers to the inflammation of the liver? A. Nephritis. B. Gastritis. C. Hepatitis. D. Bronchitis. Answer. C. Hepatitis. Question 1584. What does the abbreviation CPR stand for in the medical context? A. Cardiovascular pulmonary resuscitation. B. Centralized patient registry. C. Critical patient recovery. D. Continuous pain relief. Answer. A. Cardiovascular pulmonary resuscitation. Question 1585. Which major regulatory change has been implemented recently in the pharmaceutical industry in Pakistan? A. Introduction of a new drug pricing policy. B. Revision of drug import regulations. C. Amendment to the Drug Act for faster drug registration. D. Introduction of a pharmacovigilance reporting system. Answer. D. Introduction of a pharmacovigilance reporting system. Question 1586. Which entity is responsible for approving the conduct of clinical trials in Pakistan? A. World Health Organization WHO. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. C. United States Food and Drug Administration FDA. D. European Medicines Agency EMA. Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. Question 1587. Good manufacturing practices (GMP) in pharmaceutical manufacturing primarily focus on A. Drug pricing and affordability. B. Monitoring clinical trial outcomes. C. Ensuring the safety, efficacy, and quality of pharmaceutical products. D. Expediting the drug registration process. Answer. C. Ensuring the safety, efficacy, and quality of pharmaceutical products. Question 1588. Which regulatory authority is responsible for licensing and monitoring drug imports and exports in Pakistan? A. Pakistan Pharmaceutical Authority (PPA). B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). C. Ministry of Health (MO). D. National Drug Control Board (NDCB). Answer: B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1589. 1. What is the first step in the drug registration process? A. Clinical trials. B. Preclinical trials. C. Manufacturing. D. Quality control. Answer: B. Preclinical trials. Question 1590. In the drug registration process, what is the main purpose of clinical trials? A. To test the drug's efficacy and safety in humans. B. To manufacture the drug on a larger scale. C. To conduct market research. D. To analyze the chemical composition of the drug. Answer: A. To test the drug's efficacy and safety in humans. Question 1591. In Pakistan, which regulatory authority is responsible for drug registration? A. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. B. EMA, European Medicines Agency. C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. D. MHRA, Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency. Answer: C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1592. What is pharmacovigilance? A. The study of drug interactions. B. The study of drug manufacturing processes. C. The process of monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. D. The process of drug import and export regulations. Answer: C. The process of monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. Question 1593. Which organization oversees pharmacovigilance in Pakistan? A. WHO, World Health Organization. B. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. C. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. D. EMA, European Medicines Agency. Answer: B. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1594. What is the purpose of pharmacovigilance systems? A. To promote the sale of pharmaceutical products. B. To track the sales of pharmaceutical products. C. To monitor the quality of pharmaceutical products. D. To monitor the safety of pharmaceutical products after they enter the market. Answer: D. To monitor the safety of pharmaceutical products after they enter the market. Question 1595. What is the main purpose of developing written communication skills in the pharmaceutical industry? A. To write lengthy research papers. B. To communicate complex scientific ideas clearly and effectively. C. To promote pharmaceutical products through advertising. D. To draft legal documents for drug registration. Answer: B. To communicate complex scientific ideas clearly and effectively. Question 1596. Which of the following is an example of a medical abbreviation? A. TID. B. Tablet. C. Prescription. D. Treatment. Answer: A TID 3 times a day. Question 1597. Which recent development in the pharmaceutical industry has gained attention worldwide? A. The discovery of a new antibiotic. B. The development of a COVID-19 vaccine. C. The introduction of a new painkiller drug. D. The expansion of pharmaceutical companies in emerging markets. Answer: B. The development of a COVID-19 vaccine. Question 1598. Analytical skills are essential in the pharmaceutical industry because they help A. Increase the prices of pharmaceutical products. B. Improve drug manufacturing processes. C. Analyze competitors' strategies. D. Solve problems and make informed decisions. Answer: D. Solve problems and make informed decisions. Question 1599. Which phase of clinical trials involves testing the drug on a small group of healthy volunteers? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. A. Phase 1. Question 1600. What is the primary ethical consideration in clinical trials? A. Ensuring a diverse participant pool. B. Minimizing potential risks to participants. C. Providing financial incentives to participants. D. Withholding information about the study's purpose from participants. Answer. B. Minimizing potential risks to participants. Question 1601. Good manufacturing practices (GMP) in the pharmaceutical industry aim to A. Reduce the effectiveness of drugs. B. Ensure drugs meet quality standards throughout the manufacturing process. C. Increase the cost of pharmaceutical products. D. Promote unfair competition among pharmaceutical companies. Answer. B. Ensure drugs meet quality standards throughout the manufacturing process. Question 1602. What is the main purpose of quality assurance in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. To conduct clinical trials. B. To ensure compliance with drug laws and acts. C. To monitor and maintain the quality of products. D. To set drug prices. Answer. C. To monitor and maintain the quality of products. Question 1603. Which act governs the import, export, and sale of drugs in Pakistan? A. Drug Act 1976. B. Pharmaceutical Regulation Act 1999. C. DRAP Act 2012. D. Drug Pricing Policy 2020. Answer. A. Drug Act 1976. Question 1604. The Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP) was established under which act? A. Drug Act 1976. B. Pharmaceutical Regulation Act 1999. C. DRAP Act 2012. D. Drug Pricing Policy 2020. Answer. C. DRAP Act 2012. Question 1605. What does pharmacokinetics study? A. The interaction of drugs with living organisms. B. The chemical composition of drugs. C. The movement of drugs within the body. D. The development of new drugs. Answer. C. The movement of drugs within the body. Question 1606. Drug interactions occur when A. Two drugs enhance each other's effects. B. Two drugs have no effect on each other. C. Two drugs reduce each other's effects. D. Two drugs have similar chemical structures. Answer. A. Two drugs enhance each other's effects. Question 1607. Analytical skills are crucial for evaluating A. Marketing strategies for pharmaceutical products. B. The effectiveness of drug manufacturing equipment. C. Clinical trial outcomes. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Question 1608. In a case study involving a pharmaceutical company, the analyst must consider various factors, including A. Company finances, product development, and market competition. B. Employee satisfaction, corporate social responsibility, and political affiliations. C. Global climate change, natural disasters, and technological advancements. D. None of the above. Answer. A. Company finances, product development, and market competition. Question 1609. What is pharmacokinetics? A. The study of drug interactions. B. The study of drug effects on the body. C. The study of drug movement within the body. D. The study of drug formulation techniques. Answer. Circa. Question 1610. Which organ is primarily responsible for drug metabolism? A. Kidney. B. Liver. C. Lungs. D. Heart. Answer. B. Question 1611. What is the purpose of a clinical trial? A. To test the safety and efficacy of a new drug. B. To promote a specific pharmaceutical company's products. C. To advertise drugs to the public. D. To compare prices of different drugs. Answer. A. Question 1612. Phase 3 clinical trials typically involve A. Animal testing. B. Testing on healthy volunteers. C. Large-scale testing on patients. D. Post-marketing surveillance. Answer. Circa. Question 1613. In clinical trials, informed consent is obtained from A. The pharmaceutical company's CEO. B. The principal investigator. C. The government regulatory agency. D. Study participants. Answer. D. Question 1614. Which ethical principle ensures that individuals' personal information is kept confidential during a clinical trial? A. Justice. B. Autonomy. C. Beneficence. D. Confidentiality. Answer. D. Question 1615. Who is responsible for reviewing and approving clinical trial protocols in Pakistan? A. World Health Organization (WHO). B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). C. United Nations (UN). D. Ministry of Health. Answer. B. Question 1616. Which phase of a clinical trial requires the most rigorous review before approval? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer. A. Question 1617. What is the purpose of Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP) in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. To ensure the efficacy of drugs. B. To protect the environment. C. To ensure the safety and quality of drugs. D. To reduce production costs. Answer. Circa. Question 1618. Which organization provides guidelines for good manufacturing practices (GMP)? A. Food and Drug Administration (FDA). B. World Health Organization (WHO). C. European Medicines Agency (EMA). D. All of the above. Answer. D. Question 1619. Which step comes first in the drug registration process? A. Clinical trials. B. Drug formulation. C. Post-marketing surveillance. D. Preclinical testing. Answer. D. Question 1620. What is the purpose of the Drug Registration Board in Pakistan? A. To promote generic drug usage. B. To oversee the import and export of drugs. C. To register and regulate pharmaceutical products. D. To issue medical licenses to doctors. Answer. Circa. Question 1621. Which regulatory agency is responsible for setting healthcare policies in Pakistan? A. Ministry of Health. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). C. World Health Organization (WHO). D. Pakistan Medical and Dental Council (PMDC). Answer. A. Question 1622. Which of the following is not a healthcare policy consideration? A. Cost of drugs. B. Accessibility of healthcare services. C. Drug patent expiration. D. Availability of medical equipment. Answer. Circa. Question 1623. A patient is taking drug A and drug B concurrently. Drug A increases the metabolism of drug B. What is the likely effect on the therapeutic action of drug B? A. Increased therapeutic action. B. Decreased therapeutic action. C. No change in therapeutic action. D. Drug B will become toxic. Answer. B. Question 1624. In a clinical trial, a new drug is being compared to a placebo. What is the purpose of using a placebo in this study? A. To confuse the participants. B. To reduce the number of participants needed. C. To evaluate the drug's safety profile. D. To act as a control group for comparison. Answer: D. Question 1625. Which act governs the import, export, manufacture, and distribution of drugs in Pakistan? A. Drug Act 1976. B. Drug Pricing Policy 2015. C. Pharmaceutical Licensing Act 1999. D. Pharmaceutical Research Act 2002. Answer: A. Question 1626. The Drug Act 1976 is enforced by A. World Health Organization (WHO). B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). C. Pakistan Medical and Dental Council (PMDC). D. Ministry of Finance. Answer: B. Question 1627. What is pharmacovigilance? A. The study of drug interactions. B. The study of drug development. C. The study of drug safety and monitoring adverse reactions. D. The study of drug pricing. Answer: Circa. Question 1628. Adverse drug reactions (ADRs) are A. Unintended and harmful responses to drugs. B. Intended and beneficial responses to drugs. C. Side effects experienced by healthy volunteers in clinical trials. D. Risks associated with drug manufacturing. Answer: A. Question 1629. Effective written communication in the pharmaceutical industry is crucial for A. Increasing drug prices. B. Documenting clinical trial data. C. Promoting off-label drug use. D. Advertising new drugs to the public. Answer: B. Question 1630. Which aspect of communication is essential when dealing with healthcare professionals and patients? A. Using complex medical terminology. B. Providing clear and accurate information. C. Using persuasive language to promote drugs. D. Avoiding the disclosure of potential side effects. Answer: B. Question 1631. What does the abbreviation PO stand for in medical terminology? A. Patient order. B. Prescription only. C. Postoperative. D. Perose by mouth. Answer: D. Question 1632. What is the meaning of QID in medical shorthand? A. 4 times daily. B. Once daily. C. Every other day. D. Every hour. Answer: A. Question 1633. In recent developments, which regulatory agency approved a groundbreaking drug for a specific medical condition? A. European Medicines Agency (EMA). B. United States Food and Drug Administration (FDA). C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). D. World Health Organization (WHO). Answer: B. Thank you. Dr. Majid Body, Pharmacist. Pharm-D, M.Phil, LLB. Vice President, Pakistan Pharmacists Association PPA Punjab 2023 to 2025. Contact number +92 3214042036 +923,314,332,515